my god, look at my hair. Okay, I'm about to go take a shower, but I just woke up. Happy Vlogmas Day 21. Gonna move this little sucker to the floor. Also, I'm not gonna lie, kind of obsessed with my new tripod. Yeah, I had nothing to do today, but I'm probably gonna do makeup just because. Anyways, here we go. There's some. Anyways, I'm about to get in this shower, and then I don't know what I'm doing because we're not doing anything today because it's not a busy day. Yeah, 22nd. I'm trying to think what else we have to do throughout the week, but I don't think anything gets busy or like hectic until the 23rd. Okay. David Dobrik's new bit. I want to have a little combo. Those of you that don't know, I live in Tennessee. So, if you guys didn't know, right now, COVID-19 is super popping in Tennessee. I think one thing I'm trying to figure out is why? Like, why are people not wearing a mask? Like, why is it that I can go outside and, whoa, hello. Why is it that I can go outside and see people not wearing a mask, yet people wonder why the numbers are rising? I'm just frustrated. I'm really honestly just frustrated. I don't understand. Like, I wouldn't want it, you know. I wouldn't want to wish another state having it over Tennessee just because I live in Tennessee, but it's still like, we could prevent this if people would just wear a mask. So I've been listening to Pretty Basic because I think today's gonna be a pretty basic day. Okay, I just blow dried my hair. I was like, I get tired of my hands. Can't see.
Involved in a situation get upset.
I'm gonna do my makeup. So. Okay, so we've got the makeup on. I'm going to wrap my granny's Christmas present because it just basically got here. So, because I know my granny's not gonna watch this, that'd be really funny if she actually did watch it, but anyways. Okay, so this is the box that I chose. It looks like this. I took a little thing out so there's not anything in it, but I'm just gonna end up sticking a bow on it and sticking like a name tag. You open the lid. So I have some confetti paper. I have this framed photo of an Elvis ticket from Graceland, and there's a reason why there's one. So I also had this shirt made that says, quarantine can't keep me from Graceland, because she loves Elvis, she's obsessed with him. And this is basically my way of telling her that I'm taking her to Graceland next year. So that's sitting in there like that. I'm gonna say you're going to Graceland, and then we're gonna throw this shirt over it, right? So she has to read the shirt in order to see what the bottom says. And then we're gonna put this here, and then lay this flat, lay that flat, and then fold this over like so, and then fold this other side over, and then stick the lid on, and that's it. I just took a 2-hour nap. Got up and ate pizza just now. But yeah, so I love how every time I get my nails done, I'm now like, you guys know I absolutely love you. This sounds like a farewell video. It's not. I'm still gonna be here to annoy you. I want to talk about something within my personal life with you guys that I haven't brought to my channel, and hopefully you guys get something from it, I guess. I don't even know, but yeah, so yeah. Okay. Oh god. I need y'all to ignore what I look like right now. I said what I look like right now, like I look ugly. Don't do that. I'm gonna do my Bible study thing because I haven't read any I just haven't felt like it, which sounds so bad because like Jesus could like wake up and not feel like waking you up, but he does. So, like, make time, you know?